Easy stir-fried zucchini. Hey, remember my stir-fried jicama in my last video? Well, I've got a confession and a delicious upgrade. Many of you love the concept, but jicama can be a bit tricky to find and it can be a little pricey, especially here in Australia. The mysterious ingredient I mentioned in last video is, drumroll, zucchini! Now you might be wondering why zucchini? Well, I got two good reasons. First, zucchini is so easy to find here in Sydney. It's practically everywhere and is way more affordable than jicama, making it perfect alternative if you want to keep things simple and budget friendly. Secondly, zucchini is incredibly easy to cook. Just like jicama, it can add that lovely, crisp texture, but with the added bonus of a more subtle flavor that pairs so beautifully with prawns and carrot. And the best part, the cooking method is the same. So if you have a lot of zucchini on hand or is in season, that is the perfect recipe to turn it into something delicious. Let's get started this 4 ingredients simple stir fry. First ingredient, 6 large sea prawns. These add a touch of luxury and sweetness that perfectly complements the zucchini. And of course, we need to wash and devein them. Start by preparing everything. Peel and julienne your zucchini and carrots into nice even pieces. Similar to my previous video, I'm using my trusty pen runner slicer. This makes prepping the veggies a breeze. I also include the Amazon affiliated links in the show notes below. Check it out. Place the zucchini at the top of the slicer and press it down gently onto the plate. Use smooth, even strokes as you push the zucchini down the slicer. Same for the carrot as well. Be careful and make sure that you use the hand guard when using the slicer. If you want thinner or thicker slices, simply adjust the thickness down on the side of the slicer and continue slicing. Oh wow, look at these uniform stripes, giving our dish a professional look and texture. These delicate stripes that will cook evenly in our stir fries. Now today we are not using our wok, we're using a large frying pan. Heat our large frying pan over medium-high heat, add our oil and let it shimmer. Toss in our 3 large chopped garlics. You can also choose to mince it. Saute it about 30 seconds or few minutes until it's fragrant, but be careful not to burn it. Next, throw in our 6 sea prawns into the frying pan. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes or until they turn a beautiful pink and opaque. Stir them occasionally. Now for the veggies, carrots first, since they take a little longer to cook. Stir fry for about a couple of minutes. This is to ensure they reach the desired tender crisp texture without overcooking the quicker cooking ingredients such as zucchini. In fact, this also allows the carrot's natural sugars to break down and caramelize, enhancing the sweetness and flavor, contributing to a more balanced and delicious overall dish of our stir-fried zucchini. While stir-frying, if you are new to my channel, welcome! And make sure you click on the subscribe button or click on the notification bell so that you won't miss out any upcoming recipes. Then add our 4 zucchini julienned and stir fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. The zucchini should soften but retain that perfect bite, just like jicama does in the original recipe. If compared to jicama, zucchini actually cooks so much faster. And also zucchini draws out a lot of the water when it's actually cooked. Hence, probably not a good idea for us to wrap into a wrappers like popiah. Close the frying pan lid and let it shimmer. After 2 to 3 minutes, you can see that it's a perfectly cooked zucchini, which is tender crisp, not mushy. Visually, it will be vibrant but slightly less bright than raw, with some translucency at the edges. The best test is the texture. For all the chopsticks should pierce it easily but still meet slight resistance. Since zucchini cooks really quickly, usually in just 2 to 3 minutes, and you can see the water will draw out from the zucchini itself. Watch it closely and test frequently. And probably you want that on the side of slightly undercooked rather than overcooked zucchini because it becomes dull, watery, and too soft. Last step. Season it with 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, or you can replace it with a pinch of sea salt like our previous recipe. This is where the magic happens. The oyster sauces or sauce gives a savory umami depth that complements the sweetness of the carrots, zucchini, and prawns. As simple as that, 4 ingredients make a crispy, tasty, delicious vegetables dish. Once everything is cooked to perfection, remove it from the heat. Serve it immediately, either on its own or with some steamed rice. And for a bit of freshness, try pairing it with some crisp green oak lettuce. You can even wrap the stir fry in the lettuce leaves for a healthier twist. So, whether you have zucchini in season or just a lot of it on hand, this recipe is a must-try. Zucchini is in season from May to August, but in Australia, actually is available year-round. Whenever I mix the bangkwang cha with jicama, I will use this zucchini to cook my easy, quick, incredibly satisfying, a great alternative to our traditional bangkwang cha with jicama. Here's recap my easy, delicious zucchini stir-fried recipe, or you can go to hankery.com for print-out recipe. If you missed my previous video stir-fried jicama, click on the link in the show note below. The 4 ingredients diet hack bangkwang cha, and let me know what are the differences with this recipe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like button. Remember, cooking is all about making it your own. Enjoy your stir fry. See you next time.